Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Nirja. I hope you all are doing very good. Welcome to Nirja's Astrology. So today I'm going to make a video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you can stay connected with me and my upcoming videos. So today I'm going to make a video on Jupiter being placed in different houses and what kind of results Jupiter is going to give to you all and how benefic or malefic it is. Let's find it out. So, but if let us understand what is Jupiter all about. Jupiter is expansion. Jupiter is the planet of knowledge. Jupiter is finances. It gives financial knowledge. Jupiter is also a planet of giving you spiritual knowledge, giving inclined towards spiritual knowledge depending on where it is actually placed in your birth chart. Jupiter also is the karaka for husband in a person's female's birth chart, but also it is a karaka for marriage as well. It brings a lot of luck and good fortune in a person's life if it is well placed. So let us understand how beneficial or how lucky you are and what kind of benefic results Jupiter is going to give you based on the placements. So if Jupiter is placed in the first house of your horoscope, irrespective of any signs, physically you are a little bit plumpier. There is always some kind of chubbiness on your face, or you'll have little bit of belly fat which is visible. No matter how much you try to reduce weight, it is not going to happen. You can be a little bit fair complexioned, you know in appearance wise. You people would actually think you are very much knowledgeable, and they would come to you for asking advices even if you do not know, or if you are a very less experienced. People will still come and ask certain things from you. So if Jupiter is placed in the second house, I am just going as per placements, guys. I'm not going as per aspect. So Jupiter being placed in the second house of your birth chart. So second house is the house of finances. It is the house of assets. It is the house of Kutumbasthan. So Jupiter being placed in second house, many say that it rules second house and it is some kind of karka bhav nashak, but I do not agree it, because wherever Jupiter is placed, if it is holding the lowest degree in the any houses which it is placed in, it will definitely give good results. So if Jupiter is along with Rahu in second house, but if Jupiter is holding the lowest degree, it will definitely give benefic results. It will try to control the malefic results of planet Rahu. But let us just understand only the placement of Jupiter. So Jupiter being placed in the second house gives you a kind of family which is very knowledgeable, which is holding some kind of spiritual knowledge, or you are coming from a family which people really are look up to. They praise your family. You are coming from such family background. If Jupiter is placed in the second house, you have a tendency to eat more than a normal person. Maybe your appetite and your diet is something which you are uncontrollable, so you have to be very careful of the kind of food you are eating. So you are a kind of person who would love to eat pulses like dal, or some kind of food which is quite sweet. You just love sweets more than so spicy food. So that is what I'm thinking. So Jupiter in second house also gives some kind of benefic results if you are working. If you are a working person, definitely it will give you some kind of savings. If it's even debilitated, it will make sure that you are saving some kind of money. You are a bit calculative when it comes to spending money. That was what I have seen. If Jupiter is debilitated, in second house, then you are very much stingy in actually uh, spending your money. But if Jupiter is normally well placed, you would be not much spendthrift, but you just love, spending money and even, saving it both the same time. If Jupiter is placed in the third house of your birth chart, they say it is actually ruled by Gemini, and it is not well for Jupiter. But however, wherever Jupiter is placed, it will definitely try to nullify the negative effect of wherever it is sitting. But yes, it is a bit uncomfortable with the Gemini sign, because it is the natural ruler of Gemini in third house. But it will definitely give you a lot of contacts in social media. It will bring a lot of, presence of you in media profession. If you are involved in some kind of media, or if you are involved in some kind of financial profession, it is definitely going to bring you a lot of contacts. And you can be very, very, very good in communication, in a way that, people will come for you for some kind of advices, irrespective of, how it is placed here. Even if they say it's marnastan and all, but still it will definitely give you a good results. If Jupiter is placed in second third house, I have seen these people getting married to someone who is a bit famous, or who is some kind of well established in society. That is what I have seen. If Jupiter is placed in fourth house, Jupiter in fourth house is very comfortable here, because it is exalted in Cancer. Even if it's debilitated, if it's not placed in a friendly sign, it will definitely give good results, because Jupiter in fourth house gives a motherly nourishment to certain aspects in your life, wherever it is aspecting. Jupiter in second house, in fourth house, it actually gives a very, very loving, caring motherly love in your life. Whichever female enters your life, whichever people you are surrounded with, they are very much concerned, very much caring towards you. And Jupiter in fourth house gives a huge house. That is what I have seen. It's not about being luxurious or well furnished house. It just gives a huge big house in fourth house if it's well placed. Jupiter in fifth house, so Jupiter in fifth house gives a very good knowledge in because here it is quite comfortable, because it is the sign of sun, and it expands the sun's energy. So this person is actually very popular, in whatever they're doing. This person is actually a very good lover. If this person has a girlfriend or a boyfriend, or is married, so they are very much famous in their wife's friend circle, or the girlfriend or boyfriend's friend circle. So that is something which I have seen here. Jupiter in fifth house also gives mostly son more than daughter to a female. It gives a male child more than a female child. So if Jupiter is well placed, it also gives you know business contacts through stock exchange, and many other things, like through finances, through banking sector, something like that. It definitely gives. Jupiter in sixth house, here Jupiter is not much comfortable, because it tends to give some kind of liver issues, or it tends to give some kind of issues related to stomach. So you should be a little bit careful of avoiding eating pulses, or some kind of heat food. Sweets you have to avoid, and there is definitely prone to getting diabetes or something like that. But even if it's exalted, or even if it's, I would say Jupiter in sixth house debilitated is way more better than being exalted, because debilitated will actually nullify certain effects of negative effects of Jupiter here. And but in if you are working in a banking sector or in a financial sector, it is definitely going to give a lot of benefit to you. Sixth house, Jupiter actually gives in a female's chart getting married to some kind of financial advisor or consultant, something like that. Jupiter in seventh house. Jupiter in seventh house is very, very, very good and auspicious placement. Jupiter in seventh house, it just gives a very knowledgeable spouse to you. This spouse is actually coming in this lifetime to give you some kind of guidance. This person will always be there to you, to guide you in some way. It's just not about you know your whomever you're going to get married, but it's also about whoever you are getting involved with as a friend, or who the other person, whomever you're coming in contact with, they would always have something to advise to you. Jupiter in seventh house gives a lot of gains and wishes to you. Jupiter in eighth house, so it gives a lot of occult and spiritual knowledge to many people. Here it acts very mysterious, but this Jupiter is something which expands the occult knowledge. So this is a kind of person who would research something and would bring it to light to many people. See, this is what I have discovered. So what I have seen in many cases, if Jupiter is exalted, they in eighth house, this is definitely a very good placement for someone who can get into all this occult subjects like tarot, astrology, numerology, something like that. This is a very good placement for them. Jupiter in eighth house will give you a kind of in-laws who are there to support you, who are there to guide you. They are always there to support you in some way, so they are going to act like a blessing to you. Jupiter in ninth house is definitely very, very, very good placement, irrespective of even if it's being debilitated, because it is a dharma sthan. And Jupiter here loves to spread its knowledge. It just loves to give guidance to people. This is the kind of person you would actually want to be with, because this person will, no matter even if they are not spiritual, no matter even if they do not have spiritual knowledge, or they are not super rich, they will still be a blessed soul. And if this person is actually blessing you, it is definitely going to come true. This is a soul who is very pure. So Jupiter in ninth house is very, very good placement. It also gives some kind of blessing to this person, as if there is some hidden energy which works behind the scenes. If this person is actually in any kind of trouble, there is some hidden energy which will bring this person out of all these problems, whichever problem they are in. Jupiter in ninth house will give a deep, deep relationship with their father. The father is a kind of guru to this person, always guiding them in some way. And they would always have a teacher in their life throughout their lifetime to make them understand why they are born. So this person is very much aware of their spirit, of the spiritual knowledge. This person is very much aware of their existence on this planet earth. So Jupiter in 10th house, it is debilitated in Capricorn, but still it is very good for any kind of profession you would want. This is very good placement for financial or banking sector, media industry, or a teacher. If you are into a teaching profession, this placement is actually going to benefit you a lot. And Jupiter in 10th house also signify that your career is definitely going to be very much secured, irrespective of if it's 8th house lord placed in 10th house, then it is going to transform you. Like your career is going to bring a lot of transformation in your life. Maybe you will, keep changing your career frequently, but if it's in a well dignity, well placed, then it is going to give you a very very successful career life. Jupiter in 11th house, gains, desires, wishes, all the wishes are actually going to come true. Whatever you're touching, it is turning into gold. Whatever you want, it is there. You have huge friend circle. This person had huge friend circle. Every person loves to be around them because they have something very good to say. This person is always jovial, having friends. This kind of person, if this is your first house lord being placed in 11th house, that means you are just born here to attract gains and enjoy all your wishes, which is going to get fulfilled by this planet Jupiter. And you would actually land up with friends who are older than you. Your teachers, your gurus are going to be your best mentors, are going to be your best friends. So more than having any kind of friends who are of your age, you are going to land up having friends who are older than you. If Jupiter is placed in 11th house, Jupiter being placed in 12th house exalted, um, this person has a very good knowledge in spirituality. This is a person who is born to attain highest state of spiritual knowledge. This is a person who is born here to awaken many people. So this placement can give rise to many spiritual gurus you have seen, who are born here to awaken many people by guiding them with certain spiritual knowledge. So, but if Jupiter is placed in 12th house, if it's the 6th house lord being placed in 12th house, it is definitely going to give you some kind of health problems, some kind of expenses based on your health issues. So you have to be very careful of seeing certain things, how it is actually acting for you. But definitely Jupiter in 12th house is a very benefic. If Jupiter is conjunct with Venus, this gives Saraswati Yoga. So this person is a natural born enlightened person. Or if Jupiter is placed in 12th house exalted, you are going to get married to someone who is in foreign land and is very super rich, and maybe you can move to abroad after getting married. So that was there, guys. I will try to make more such videos for you all. Till then, bye, take care.